Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about map function in Python. Now, map function will apply to every item in a list. So, let's take an example. So, my task is to add 10 to each item in the list. Let us take L. Okay, L equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and my task is to add 10 to each item in the list. For that, I will write a definition, right? Receive x is equal to x plus 10. Return x. Now I will apply map function to this. Map, give the function name and comma. Don't pass parameters here or arguments here. Here, just give the function name, that's all, and the sequence name. The sequence is L. So list is a sequence, so you have to pass the collection or sequence. So now I will convert this into a list. Now just run this. Now you can see that every item in the list is added. See, every item in the list is added with 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 10, 12, 3 plus 10, 13, 4 plus 10, 14, 5 plus 10, 15, and 6 plus 10, 16. So in this way, you can use map function. Okay. You can even add two lists at the same time using map function. So uh, let us take L1, L1 list 1 equal to 12, 23, 34, 45, and L2 67, 89, 90, 45. So this now I want to add two lists. Okay, for that I will write a definition, add lists, pass x comma y, and return x plus y. Now pass map function, map of add lists comma L1, L1 comma L2. This will be in a list. You can see that 12 plus 67 is 79, 23 plus 89 is 112, and 34 plus 90 is 124, and 45 plus 45 is 90. So in this way, you can use map function. Okay? So this is all about map function.